If you are wondering if it is possible to take pictures using the RAW format on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. Usually on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, if you want to take pictures or take photos and save it using the RAW format, then in that case, most likely you have to go to settings of the camera. So we can tap on these four dots on the right side and then tap on this gear icon to open camera settings. And then usually over here in the photos section, there's like a setting or menu where you can decide the format that should be used in order to save photos. Here, the only thing that we have available is this high efficiency pictures or HEIF format, which is not exactly the RAW format, of course. And sometimes it is also available by going to the Pro mode, but in this case, if we go to the Pro mode, there is no setting that would allow us to change the format, unfortunately. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.